The amount of risk that is on the road every day is just incredible.
LandCare is a commercial landscape management company. The landscaping space is unique. All of our crews are not hired to be drivers, they're hired to be landscapers or account managers or business leaders.
1,200 vehicles, 1,200 drivers. Invariably, you're guilty until proven innocent.
We didn't have a dash cam provider. So Lytx Plus has allowed us to combine a number of different systems that we're using into one platform to then give us a tool to be able to coach people through driving better and safer, and then ultimately get some better data that we can use to make decisions and help to manage our business.
After we figured out the true product offering and how robust Lytx Plus was, we realized that it checked other boxes from our original wish list of everything that we wanted to achieve. It was this serendipitous point where these two projects came together at the same time, but with only one tool, the Lytx Plus solution. We are using cameras to vigorously defend the drivers that are behind the wheels of those vehicles. We had an incident. Our driver was driving and another vehicle impacted him. They sideswiped him.
Yo iba bien y la otra persona se metió a mi carril porque ella iba en el teléfono y ella quería culparme a mí.
The other driver's insurance company responded with, "No, you were at fault, LandCare." But a quick email with the video associated with it resolved this case within 30 minutes.
Sí, estoy agradecido con las cámaras, muy agradecido, buena idea de la compañía por poner las cámaras porque ya gracias a Dios sale todo bien, gracias a Dios, buena idea.
With Lytx Plus, the telematics we're using are things like utilization, understanding how our trucks are being operated every day and how much. It's been very helpful in looking into our EV fleet. We have 150 or so EVs in our business today, and being able to get visibility into their state of charge, how much power they're consuming, and how they're being utilized is extremely important to us as we continue to build out our infrastructure at our branches to charge the vehicles.
Being able to coalesce all of that data into one concise report is super important to us. The Lytx Plus tool with the Go 9 device made that a natural selection for us. It was very easy to assess that data and plow through what we were doing on spreadsheets before. I can spit out reports and be able to fully understand the direction that we need to go.
We know where we are today as a fleet and as a business, and we can also see where we want to be. And a partnership with Lytx and the platform they're building and the commitment they have to continue to improve it is something that was important to us.
The opportunities that excite me about Geotab and Lytx is the partnership. Put the two together in one seamless UX. That was the way to go.